Hello everyone, welcome back to Talented Developer. Today we have an exciting tutorial where we will learn many ways to convert character array to string. So we will have character array as input, and in this video we are going to convert this character array to a string. So let's start the code. So before starting the first way, let's define our input. So it will be character array and our variable name will be char array, and it will contain all the character. So let's give input as a hello. So now we have input as a character array, and now we are going to convert into string. So our first approach is using the string constructor. So let's define one string str1 equal to new string, and in this constructor we are going to pass our character array. So let's print this one, save, and you can run this program. Now you can see we are getting output as a hello. So first approach is working fine. So second approach will be using a string dot valueOf. So let's define one string again. So I can say here string str2 equal to, what we can do here, just give here a string dot valueOf. So you can see here it can accept so many things like boolean, character array also. So just come and you can see now you can print this string str2. So let's run. So you can see using the second approach also we got output as a hello. So the third way is like you can use a string builder or a string buffer. So what you can do, I will start with here a string builder only, and here you can give new string builder. So here we have defined our string builder. Now what you can do, just use here a string builder dot append, and you can pass here our character array input. So let's print our string builder, run. You can see that using all three way we got our output. So in this video we just learned how to convert your character array to a string. That's it for the day. Thank you.